guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a video for you today on a 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 High Country. It's a beautiful truck. It's getting a 5-inch Cognito Performance Series lift kit and some 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. It's gonna be a very nice truck. It's gonna have Fox reservoir shocks on it. Stay tuned for this one. I'll show you the truck now. So here it is. You know, we do a lot of these GMCs, but I'm seeing more Chevys. I've got 2 or 3 Chevys here today. I'm very excited about it. So this one's awesome. I love white. You know, I love the High Country. It has all the beautiful chrome trim on it. This big badge on the door looks awesome. I'd show you the interior of the truck, but I know that they just drove from Panama City, Florida last night, and they have all their luggage still in there. So I'll leave that out for now. Stay tuned for the install. Very excited about this one. Just got a second truck for this video. It's a very, very good video to compare. This is going to be your 25 High Country right here, and this is your other 25 High Country right here. This is the Midnight Edition. It's all blacked out. Looks amazing. This is cool. We're going to be doing the Suspension Max keys on this truck with a set of the new 37 1250 20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro. Very excited about that. This is going to be an amazing look on this truck, all blacked out like this. Window sticker right here for proof. This truck is brand new. Look at that. $90,000, bro. The truck is amazing though. Look at the inside. Cool seats with nice stitching. Big badge right there. Yeah, this truck's awesome. This one is beautiful. So the High Country is the nicest Chevrolet trim that you can get. There's nothing that they offer that's more expensive or, you know, more premium or whatever you want to call it. The Midnight Edition means that everything is blacked out. I love that. The Denali Ultimate GMC doesn't even have a package like that. It's, you know, Vader Chrome, but the fact that this is all gloss black and it's the nicest trim package you can get, that's awesome. I think that this looks amazing. If you're an all-black person, if you're not, if you're the chrome guy, you have the standard High Country here that has all the chrome accents. Also a huge fan. I don't know which one I like more, to be honest with you. I love both. I think that if this was my truck, you'd have to just get all the pieces that are black, you know, color match white. But it just about all happens on this black one from the factory. So very, very cool. All right, so this is the tire for the black truck. This is a 37 1250 20. This is the new Toyo Open Country RT Pro. It is a mud tire that has a mileage warranty of 45,000 miles. It looks amazing. Very, very light on the noise. You do hear a little bit of it on the tread, but very, very smooth ride, long-lasting tread, and it's new and nobody has it. So this is the tire to go with right now. we've got our black High Country Midnight Edition truck done. Did the Suspension Max leveling kit. It was a 1.75 inch gain in the front. It levels the truck out just perfectly. We went with the 37 12 50 20 Toyo RT Pros on this truck. They look phenomenal. I love the way they turned out. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you the truck. I wanted to say I appreciate it to my customer. He's only been here for a couple of hours. It's been a real quick in and out process, so he didn't get to spend much time at the shop, but you know, I appreciate everybody the same. Take a look at the truck and tell me what you think. Man, this thing looks, it looks aggressive with that tire on it. The Ridge Grappler and the RT Trail look fine. You know, I like the way they look a lot, and they're very good on the road, but so are these. They have a little bit of a noise to them, but that's the only kind of thing that you have to deal with. Very, very tough looking tread. Very thick looking lug on the sidewall. Good dimension to it. I love it. If you really back up off of the truck though, you see that sidewall lug does a special effect to the truck. Makes it look tough. Let me know what you think in the comments. Which tire do you like better? The Toyo RT Trails, the Toyo RT Pro, or the or the Nitto Ridge Grappler. They seem to be about the 3 best selling tires that we have up here. So this truck has, by the way, I didn't tell anybody in the beginning, this truck's super low mileage. If it smells brand new inside, I don't know if I've seen one this low on the mileage yet. 76. Truck's absolutely gorgeous. Big shout out to the customer and thank you for the business. Put music over this, right? Well, we have our white Chevy 2500 High Country ready to go. You just saw the black one get done. The black one looked amazing. It was just on a leveling kit. The white one here is on a 4-inch performance lift from Cognito, which I'll go over here in just a minute with you. But I've got to say, I think I've been sleeping on the interior of the Chevys a little bit. The Denali Ultimates, I see them. They're a dime a dozen for some reason. I see them all the time. They have a very nice interior with that brown leather, but this High Country interior, this is the truck that's not the Midnight Edition. So I showed you the interior on the Midnight Edition a minute ago. This one is different. It has this two-tone, almost like black and like caribou color. I love it. Here's a little bit better representation, but I like the color a lot. I think this truck looks really cool on the inside too. So I love that we're doing some Chevys, not just GMCs anymore. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like better the Chevrolet Silverado or the GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate versus the High Country? What do you think's the better truck? I'm going to flip the camera around and walk outside and show you this truck. Let me know what you think. Do you like the 4-inch kit better, or do you like the leveling kit better on the 37s? Which one looks better? Thanks. All right, so we have our final product on our 2025 Chevy 2500 High Country. This is the best you can get from a Chevy. This is the Denali Ultimate. equivalent of Chevrolet to GMC. I love this truck. It's almost the same truck. Yes, I get it, whatever. The headlight design on the Chevrolet goes like this, where the GMC goes like this, and it's not much of a difference, but I've been born and raised in a Chevrolet. GMCs came later, so I guess I gotta say I like the Chevy better. Some of you may not like that, whatever. Everybody has an opinion. You guys have an opinion, and this is just what I like. I love white on chrome or polished. I think it looks awesome. I just went over the interior of the truck. I'll show it one more time. I love the way this looks. I think that they knocked it out of the park with these two, with the two color combinations here. As far as the wheels go, the factory Chevy wheel looks good to me. It's a polished aluminum, so it's not chrome, but it does clean up like chrome. The 37 1250/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler is second to none. You guys know about this tire. I've sold this tire and this tire only for years, and you know, now I'm branching out to more options, but this has been old faithful right here. This tire is very smooth, very quiet, looks amazing. 80 miles an hour, it feels like a car tire. The lift kit we did is the Cognito Performance Series. Now, Cognito offers 4 or 5 different options as far as the 4-inch kit goes. Actually, this is a 5-inch kit, I'm sorry. They offer a 4, 5, or a 6 with this same kind of cross member setup. I've said this whole time probably that it's a 4-inch kit, but it's 5. The upper control arm is an upgrade. This comes in the performance version of this kit alongside the Fox reservoir shock. This is the 2.0. The performance kit comes with the 2.0 shocks, the steering idler arm and pitman arm brace, and then your upper control arm. Your idler arm and pitman arm brace, it's hard to see, but it's right here. It's that black piece with the bolt on it, and then, you know, alongside that, there's another piece over here. That's a really good upgrade for this kit. I like it a lot. The Cognito cross member here comes in this kit already, and it provides wonderful axle angles at 5 inches. Let me know what you think about the truck. If you have any questions about it. I did the 2 trucks in this video to kind of compare the size of a leveling kit versus a 5-inch kit. I know I said 4-inch earlier, but the 5-inch kit clears the same tire size basically that a leveling kit does. You just get more clearance. And on a Chevrolet, we don't have to cut the bumper right there like we do on the GMC. So that's why there's no trimming. There's no trimming either way. So you get more height out of this kit, and it makes the truck look taller and all that. But I really don't know what I like better. Do I like the OEM Plus look of a leveling kit, or does this lifted version look better? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll throw a price in both ways for both trucks. I'll try to put 2 side by side. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake, and we're in McDonough, Georgia, and I appreciate you guys watching.